Hi guys, I'm John Garage, and today I'm going to be going over my favorite little utility knife, and that is the Oknife U1 Pro. Look at that, slips open real good. I love the name Oknife because every time I see it or hear it, I just think, oh, knife, and that's kind of how I feel about this. I think about the Oknife U1 Pro and I think, oh, knife, because what a treat it is to have. Because this isn't just a nice feeling utility knife, it's also a little screwdriver. So you can get little bits that come with this, which you have to buy separately. By the way, this is like 35 bucks or something, which is pretty good considering you can go out and buy, oh, where's that dude? Oh my god. Here's the Civivi like equivalent, and it's kind of dumb. Like, I guess it flips open knife, but flips open knife. I had a lot of coffee today. It flips open nice, but that's about it, and I think it costs more. There's also the Kaiser Yudi Bear drop bear. I don't know. This one's real nice too, but guess what? It doesn't have. Doesn't have screwdriver on it. So, oh, and this thing's also like 45 or 50 bucks. So, anyway, with this you can just take out the different bits, put in other bits. Quite handy to have. Unfortunately, this came with an infinity pencil, which was a new discovery to me, but I busted it off. So I guess that's the only way you turn an infinity pencil into a finite pencil. But anyway, this thing is a lot of fun to have. And they have a more expensive model. It's called like the Oknife U1 Ultra, which I guess the benefit is it's made out of titanium. This has like green micarta on it, and it's very cool. Micarta is such a cool thing, and it feels like you're touching like a reptile, I would say, is the closest equivalent. Other fun facts about this: it has a deep carry clip, so you can put it in your pocket. I've been carrying kind of utility knives around with me because I'm fascinated with the idea of not having to sharpen things. And instead of having to do that, guess what you can do? You can just go get a big old thing of, oh god, utility blades. And then you can swap them out all willy-nilly, which I haven't had to do because guess what you can do with a utility blade if you want to? You can get a little like pass-through sharpener and you can just sharpen it and make it as sharp as the day it was born. And you can get even more use out of it. But if you don't want to do that, you can get one of these. It's like a pack of 50 for like 10 bucks, and they're a cool black color. So to take off this, they give you this little utensil, I suppose, and you just put it there, and you can tighten it or loosen it. And then it gets to a certain point, you can just do it with your little grubby fingers, and then come on, it comes out just like that. And then you can replace this with whatever you want. You can put a ceramic blade in there, you can put a little hook blade. Me, I just stick with the utility blade. Get in there right now. Then you tighten it up. And you're good to go. Wow. I've used it before, but I don't use it that much because what I'd prefer to do is just, I have a pair of pliers, like, you know, why carry more tools when few tools do same? So you can just take it and screw it like that. I guess the only other benefit is this comes with a little bottle opener on it. But yeah, I quite like it. This is one of the first ones I bought, so I've been using it for quite a while. I think they're cooler than something like this. Like, look at this big behemoth. You can't slip this into your pant pocket and have it hook to it. No, this just slides out. It's a big beast. Like, listen to it. Oh, are you ringing the bell for donations? Is that what you're doing? Well, it sure sounds like it if you carry something like this. Or you could go with the cool, sleek Oknife U1 Pro and spend probably 10 times as much compared to something like that. But, you know, if it's something you use every day, you want to cherish it and love it so much. And I think if you got one of these, that's how you would feel. I just think they're neat. I'm kind of going into a dive to figure out whether having a utility knife is a better idea than having just a regular knife, because you have the ability to change out the blade and not have to screw around with trying to sharpen it or anything like that. And so I'm still, you know, trying to figure out how it is. I don't know if you're like me and you get kind of nervous around your knives. Not because, oh, knives are scary, which they can be if in the wrong hands. But, you know, I get a knife I really like and I'm like, I don't want to use this too much, because what if I mess up the blade and then I'm too bad at sharpening and I make the blade worse or something like that. That's why I'm never going to go out and buy like a Spyderco or a Benchmade or something crazy like that, because, like, good God, if I feel like I barely use these as is, I would never, ever use those. Ever. So this kind of gives me an in-between of like, well, you know, the blade, I can just replace it if I really screw it up beyond all repair. And it's kind of what it's meant to be. So, like, I don't feel as bad about beating this up and using it more and everything like that. And, of course, probably 80% of what I open is boxes or tape or things like that. It's nicer to just get one of these gunky instead of something beautiful like this Gonzo Firebird. Truly is a beautiful knife. And it's only like 20 bucks. But, still, sometimes I get this mental block in my head that unless I get, like, the cheapest, like, friggin' $10 garbage knife, that I'm afraid to use it. So, like, oh God, this is that cheapo one from, like, Ozark Trail or whatever, and it's like, I'm more likely to use that because it's $10. There's this other one. There's also $10 from them, but I like it less because it's, like, a little harder to flip open and stuff, and it has this, like, metal grabber on it, and it's kind of cold in my hands, and it's slippy dippy, like, it's just not as good. But then when you have this awesome, beautiful green micarta, you got more grip on it. It's good grip. This is a really good utility blade, and I think you'll like it, and it gives you even more utility because it has a little screwdriver on it. And I other than like the Milwaukee fast back or fast forward flash attack, I can't think of like many others out there that have that same functionality, and the flash point is just this big gnarly looking red beast that just looks clunky, and this is svelte, sleek, smooth, slides easily into your pocket, looks like a statement, if you will. I love it. I'm in love with it. Well, no, I'm not in love with a tool. It's impossible. You can't do that. Anyway, I'm gonna end this here before it totally goes off the rails. I think that's enough for one video. You've heard what needed to be said about this here. Go get one. It's cool. You can get them in, if you don't like this cool green micarta, you can get it in like birthday sprinkle decoration or donut flavored. It's very weird. I don't know why they do that, but I don't want to yuck anyone's yums. So if that's the one for you, then so be it. Bye. I'm gonna go.